Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope we're all doing okay. I'm back with another video about the E30. It's a small little mod that I've done. I'll show you here. As you can see, it's a key fob with a few buttons on it. So that's your lock and unlock. It's hard to see the indicators. So there, yeah, they blink twice for unlock and just once for locking. So I'll quickly show you the setup or how I've done it. Don't mind all the mess because I'm still in the process, and I thought I'll make a video before putting it all back together, so it's kind of easier to show all the connections and stuff. So a little bit about the kit. It's a right-click keyless entry system. They're also called rclick.co.uk, I believe. There are loads of other kits out there you can buy from eBay and stuff, but this is nearly the same price, and the good thing about this is you get 2 key fobs with it, which can get cut for your car from your local locksmith. And they also come with 2 little BMW badges, which is good. Comes with all the wires and stuff you need. This is a small plug which was not used for my purpose. You also get an LED. You also get a LED. You get your operation manual. Yeah, there's loads of very useful information there. It's very well written. And also the wiring diagram. This is one of the main things you're going to need. What else? Yeah, so we'll move on here. The main black box, the module itself, the white plug with all the wires. So there's 2 yellow wires, one has a black stripe on it and one black one, full black one. This is your ground, which goes into the nut, the ground nut behind the glove box. So as you can see, it's the right hand drive car, and all the connections and stuff you're going to need is on the left hand side, passenger side. You just drop the glove box, and you can access all the wires and stuff, and also to take out the left speaker cover to access all the locking wires. So these are the 3 wires going into the ground. The next one we have is the red wire for the power, 12 volts, and there's a inline switch as well. I believe it's about 15 amps or something. It is 15, yeah. So the wire you're looking for in the harness is a red with a yellow stripe. It's in one of the plugs, the right side one. It's connected there in the corner, so you just splice into it really. I have left it all bare so far just to show you all the connections I've made. I'm going to solder it and heat shrink it. That's the proper way to do it. And you can also find some joints and stuff, but I think soldering is the best way. So that's for your power, red with the yellow. The next stuff you have is the brown wire coming out of the plug, yeah, which divides into 2. I believe there's some diodes or something in there. These are the 2 wires for the indicators. And on the left plug, then here, yeah, you have 2 blue wires. One has red stripe on it, one is black stripe, this one. So you just connect any of them either way. That's for your indicators. The next things we have is the white wire coming from the main white plug. That's for your lock signal, I think. And that goes into the harness behind the speaker. It's yellow and blue. Some people have it. In my case, is yellow and kind of green color. So you connect it to that. And the next one is for unlock signal, which is green and blue. Mine is kind of very green, like there's no blue stripe I can find, but the white and wire coming from the plug with a black stripe goes into this. They're very easy to find anyway, especially with the purple wire. You'll have this harness, so it's kind of tied up together. It's easy to kind of open it up so you can make the connections. And that's about it really. yes, I hope I haven't missed anything. If there are any questions, you can ask me in the comments. So another thing I bought from them is a trunk release kit. It's electronic trunk release. I haven't got around to install it yet. When installed, I'll definitely make a video on that as well. And also I must mention the E30 zone forum. There's a topic there about E30 keyless entry mod. It's definitely well worth a look, because this is where I got all my information. It's all just that information I've made into video. Hopefully it helps somebody out, and definitely makes your life easier with the wireless or remote central locking. And that's about it. Another plan, I would say, because it's planned so far to unlock and lock, try to roll up and down the windows, also to start the engine remotely from my mobile phone. That's only a plan, so once I have something done about that, I'll definitely share with you guys. I hope it have helped somebody out there. And that's about it for this video. We'll see you in other videos, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe for other good videos to come. We'll see you then.